Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.